Prepare right now, XRP Ripple investors. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. This is DC Trading. We have some news to go over, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction. Let's get right into the news. This upcoming week is very important. Why? Well, Wednesday we have September PPI inflation. Also, we have Fed meeting minutes. On Thursday, we have September CPI inflation. Please pay attention to this because we're going to find out if inflation is slowing down or not. Based off that, we'll have a good idea what Jerome Powell and the Feds will do this upcoming meeting, which is November 1st, where they decide to raise interest rates or pause. Last but not least, we have the OPEC monthly reports and jobless claims data. Now, I'm going to point out the elephant in the room. As you guys know, the past 48 hours has been very shocking, right? For some of us. There's a situation going on. There's a lot of tension between Israel and Palestine. There is a threat of a war because earlier, 24 hours ago actually, they did say that Israel was on alert, war alert. So expect some volatility. That's why I said anything could happen, because if we do go to war, if America has to go in and send troops, well, that means we should expect the stock market, the crypto market to dump. Just be aware of that. Just be aware. I'm not trying to scare anyone, but I'm just pointing out the elephant in the room. They did send a couple billion over there to Israel. Like I said, we keep printing more money, sending more money to other countries. Now, let's get into some technical analysis and price prediction. So if you take a look on the weekly time frame, we have been between 55 and 45 cents for quite a while. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks. We have been between 55 and 45 cents. Very boring, but this is the time to be dollar cost averaging. Like I said, becoming a long-term investor is way better. It gives you a greater chance than becoming a, retail trader. Trading crypto right now is not a good idea, especially with all the tensions going on with other countries in the Middle East. It's not a good idea because at any point it can drop the markets, meaning you can get wrecked. So don't take the chance to become long-term investors. Understand, 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. Now, looking over here, the MACD indicator is telling us to, sell on the weekly. As for the daily, it is telling us to buy, but look at guys, it looks like it's getting ready to cross and signal a sell. Pay attention to that, guys. We have been stuck around 51, 52 cents. We did test 55 cents this past week, got rejected. As I've been saying, we have a strong resistance around 55 cents that we need to break through. Even if we do break through that, we also have another strong resistance around 60 cents. So right now, yes, we are neutral. I do believe we'll see more downside in the winter because there is a threat of a recession. With that being said, pay attention to this ascending line, because if we don't respect this line, meaning if XRP breaks below on the daily and weekly, we could see XRP dump to 30 cents. That's just the warning, right? That's why I tell everyone, become long-term investors. Understand 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. If we take a look here, it does confirm on the Fibonacci's that 55 and 60 cents are key resistance that we do need to break through if we want to see higher prices, right? We can't even talk about $1 XRP yet. Why? Because we don't have crypto regulation. The SEC is going after every single business that's involved with crypto. They're suing everyone left and right. They're desperate right now. They're trying to buy more time. So it's the best interest of these companies not to announce any partnerships until we have crypto regulation. Because once we have crypto regulation, we're going to have a clear framework around crypto. So then we're going to know the specific laws. But understand, short term, it's going to wreck the markets because a lot of these coins are not going to survive crypto regulation. They're going to go to zero. That's why you got to choose wisely. Do your research. Just a message for all XRP Ripple investors. If we take a look right here, yes, people have entered long positions, but I would say right now it's 50-50, right? The bears and the bulls right now are fighting. We are testing key resistance. As right now, the bears are winning because we cannot break through. We got rejected like 3 times, as you guys can see on the weekly time frame. Look how many times we got rejected at 55 cents. So we can't even be bullish on XRP. Long term, super bullish because they're building. Understand that. Now, take a look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has been stuck also around 28,000. I did say in order to be bullish on Bitcoin, meaning if you want to see a $30,000 Bitcoin, we need it to push above 28,500. If we close the daily and weekly above that, it's confirmation we're going to see a $30,000 Bitcoin. As of right now, we're unsure. We're neutral. Let's also pay attention, because if we do break below 27,000, right? If Bitcoin breaks below 27,000, let's take a look right here. Right? The new support system for Bitcoin is 27,000. Earlier this week, we did retest it. We didn't drop all the way down to 27,000. We dropped all the way down to 27,200. But this is just a warning, right? If Bitcoin breaks below the daily and weekly below 27,000, don't be surprised if Bitcoin drops to 25K. And now if it drops to 25K, pay attention to this number, 24,758. Why? Well, that means we're going to break the pattern of creating higher lows. The chances of Bitcoin coming back down to 20K is going to increase if we break below this number of 24,758. That's just a warning, right? If that happens, altcoins like XRP are going to drop another 30 to 40%. And that's what I'm saying. 30-cent XRP is in the equation. Overall, take a look at the S&P 500. We did see a recovery after job reports came in very, very, very strong, guys. Doubled expectations. This is good for the Americans, the American citizens, but bad for American citizens at the same time. Jerome Powell wants to see unemployment increase. Well, if job markets is getting stronger, well, then we shouldn't expect unemployment to rise. That means he's going to be forced to raise interest rates. And that's not good. Long term, not good. As for the DXY, yes, we have seen finally some downside for the DXY. It lost a lot of strength now here. The question is, are we going to gain strength because of the threat of a war? Pay attention, guys, because if this continues to get stronger, well, we're going to be very stagnant, very boring. Just know that. With that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. My price prediction for XRP is once again stuck between 45 and 55 cents. Very boring, but this is the time to be dollar cost averaging. This is giving you a second chance to enter. Wake up, America. If you made it this far, comment the number 222. Peace.